This video we are going to learn how to set auto borders in Excel. So you can see if I write here anything, an auto border is set here. So how can we do it? Let's dive into it without wasting time. So I come to one new Excel file, minimize this. Okay, now first of all we will select the columns, which column we want, and then we'll go to home, conditional formatting, and new rule. After that you will see here use the formula to determine which cells to format, and then we will select here and equals to, we'll select this cell and we'll remove this dollar. We'll keep only the column number dollar and not equal to blank, not equal to blank, and format. After format we'll go to borders and outline. Okay, now if I write here 1 2 3 4 5 6, you can see here my border is automated shown here. So in this way you can set auto borders in Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates.